Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Mark Twain famously wrote that America and England were two countries separated by a common language. It's easy to think that what you say is understood the way you intend, but you'll also be all too familiar with finding yourself on the wrong end of a "please explain" request. The thing is, depending on context, intonation, rhythm, and cultural norms, whatever you say can and will be used against you. Language is the house of meaning, and it pays to pay attention to it. Not just the words you read in a book, but how companies design and fit out their workplaces, what art they put on the wall, what music they play in the public spaces, what the dress code is, and how people give expression through their body language. Finance has as different a dialect to marketing as operations dialect differs from research and development. A forklift driver will understand his world and be able to express his needs in a different way to the chief executive. Some people have an aptitude for the language of numbers, whereas others are gifted in preparing verbal arguments. Some find their most potent expression in visualizing concepts, and others learn new ideas and concepts by doing. To avoid descending, or should I say ascending, to a Tower of Babel, where everyone speaks their own dialect and none understands the other, it pays to make the precision of language a core tenet of your communications. Make it easy for people to ask the stupid questions by celebrating the idea that the only really stupid question is the one that doesn't get asked. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.